I've been in the senior living and home and health for 42 years. I initiated the change to the XLERATOR dryer. Primary benefits of the XLERATOR are cost reduction because we're not using as much power and reduction in paper use. Definitely recommend other healthcare facilities and continuing care retirement communities to use the XLERATOR dryer.
Now we're at about 16 brands right now across the board, and the XLERATOR product is in all of our restaurants. We don't have to inventory paper, sea towels, sea folds. I mean, it's significant. I mean, that's about, you're running 16 operations, it's a big line item when you see consumables. And they've been very great to work with in making sure that we get the latest and greatest technology with XLERATORs. So in my world, it's a no-brainer to bring all the XLERATOR products into your facilities. Really a no-brainer.
We wanted air dryers, not just air dryers. We didn't know what they were called, but we wanted the ones, and I remember us joking because we make jet engines, that we wanted air dryers that were like the jet engines because we would see them in other facilities or rest areas that we go to. We pride ourselves on having the cleanest factory of our type out there, and we'd spend a lot of time on it. This was an older metal building, and we retrofitted everything, and as part of that project, we had to redo the bathrooms. We had always used paper towels, which were just a mess. Just the labor involved in maintaining the bathrooms and the cost of the paper towels, it makes no sense to do it.
We were probably spending about anywhere from $350 to $500 a month on paper towels, and then it was costing us anywhere from $250 to $500 a month to have the sewer unclogged based on the cloggage. Every time the gentleman would come, he would pull out wads of paper towels and say, "This is the issue. They're flushing paper towels." Since we've eliminated that and installed the dryers, we've eliminated those costs and had minimal problems since. So I think it's been a benefit for everybody. It was a lot of paper towels.